And today we're going to do a quick recap on replacing the right-hand side BMW wheel well cover. This applies to the 2003 325i as well as some other cars. So driving down the road, as I said before, heard this rubbing sound coming from the right-hand side. Sounded like a rumble strip. Found this. You can see the imprint here where the wheel is rubbing up against the deal. It chewed right through the wall. Also destroyed the sensor cover here. Is a big gap of it missing here. And today we're going to talk about a replacement. So here's the part numbers and information that you may need if you're doing this type of work. And it's also labeled R for right hand side. So it's actually pretty simple. This part costs around $70 and dealership went in about another $100 to install it. I had some great friends that ordered it for me. And here's what the process consists of. Here at the top are 3 screws. There's 1, there's 2, and this is just the cover thing that keeps it in place. You have to actually, you can see it really easily on this new part now, you have to take the old one and shove it on top of the new one. So the new cover should be in back of it, as you can see here. It takes some maneuvering. This right here, see a reflection of me here. This right here, I don't know if you can see that, actually has an issue. This is what actually came off, this pin down here. Also underneath the bottom is this sensor, which I'll show you over here. That you can actually pop out and replace the sensor. That is like it senses heat. And what you want to do down here is you want to loosen, if this is installed, loosen this down here. And you want to loosen the 3 screws, or 2 screws on this side. There's one over here. There's another one back here. And if you actually want to do the one back here for the pan, this will make that center of pan. This bad boy drop out, make it a little bit easier. You want to tuck that in. And actually the holes over here match the holes of this brand new part. And the whole thing should look like this. I have to actually pick up my hardware screws tomorrow, so I'll be putting those in. I won't be driving the car until I get that installed. What caused this issue actually was down here. This little thing right here came off. There's a screw down here. I'll show it to you like this. They came off, caused this thing to go into the wheel well. It got chewed up. And there's the result. Anyway, hope this helps. If you guys have any questions or comments, my page is all about helping you do stuff and things. Please let me know with your questions, comments, and likes. Till next time. Take care.